Welcome to the Digital Transformation Foundation sample exam question. Now, this is a set of 50 questions, and you need to attempt all questions. You will be given about 40 minutes to answer 50 questions. There's only one correct answer per question. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read through the questions and give you the time to read through the options for the question. So what you could do is read the question, pause the video, reflect upon the options and choose the right option. And I will read out the answers for you, and you can compare your answers with the answers that we provide you on this video. So let's kind of start off the journey. Question number one, how should effective digital transformation relate to an organization's governance approach? The correct answer is D. Governance should be provided through permanent structures. Question number two, which of the following are responsibilities of the governance level of transformation management? The correct answer is 1, 2, and 3. Providing access to required resources, that's the responsibility. Prioritizing the transformation programs and evaluating the progress of the transformation. Identifying and managing project risks is not the responsibility of the governance level of transformation management. Number three, which description explains how the impact on systems in Revolution 4.0 is different from other technological revolutions? The correct answer is D. It enables social threats which affect international politics. Question number four. Which activity is part of the customer focus principle? The correct answer is market testing solutions before launch. That's the activity which is part of the customer focus principle. Number five, in what step in the digital transformation process is the commitment of management staff principle used to identify the transformation sponsor? The correct answer is in the discover process. Number six, which of the following statements about using horizons in planning is true? The correct answer is only two is true. The horizon model enables an organization to adapt their digital transformation to the market conditions. Whereas the first one, the use of horizons in planning, is a key technique in the defined step of the digital transformation process, is a wrong statement. Number seven, how does the technology of 3D printing impact the world? It does impact by revolutionizing production and prototyping activities. So C is the right answer. Number eight, which of the following statements about stakeholders is true? The correct answer is only two is true. Stakeholders can create barriers to digital transformation initiatives. When you examine the first one, transformation activities should focus only on the stakeholder groups where there is resistance. So that's the wrong option. Look out for outliers like only. That's not the only stakeholder group that the transformation activities focus on. So look out for some of these outliers, and they're usually not true. Number nine, when developing a business model canvas for a company, which of the following are questions relating to defining customer segments? The answer is 1, 3, and 4. Who do we offer value to? That's a question that we ask as a part of the customer segment. Who are we building the product slash service for? And what are our customers' needs and expectations? So 1, 3, and 4 are the right options. Number 10, what principle establishes teams with the authority to make decisions independently? The correct answer is B, flexibility and adaptation. Number 11, which of the four categories of principles is described as to remain competitive, organizations must stay current with the latest technologies, understand their customers' needs, and be ready to review their environment constantly? The correct answer is market. Number 12, to what role does the Digital Transformation Program Manager directly report? The correct answer is C, the Digital Transformation Director. 13, which role may be combined with the Digital Transformation Sponsor role? The correct answer is C, which is the Digital Transformation Director. Number 14, according to the Accenture study on transformation challenges, which challenge is most likely to contribute to transformation failures? The correct answer is lack of skills. D is the right answer. Number 15, identify the missing words in the following sentence. Defining dash for the entire transformation is a key checklist used in the deliver step of the digital transformation process. The correct answer is defining the ways of work or ways of working is a key checklist used in the deliver step of the digital transformation process. Number 16, how should the cooperation and communication principle be applied to the defined step in the digital transformation process? Answer is by confirming that people understand the transformational goals. So D is the right answer. Number 17, which characteristic specifically relates to the term black swans? The answer is C, unpredictable event. Number 18, what does the Digital Transformation Management Office specifically monitor the digital transformation against to ensure alignment? The answer is the organization strategy and plan. Number 19, which of the following are areas which form the empathy and support for colleagues and stakeholders principle? The answer is 1, 2, and 4, investing in skills development and support, openly discussing the dealing with worries about change, and number 4, providing clear communication about future changes. Number 20, which is the most appropriate characteristic for a digital transformation ambassador? The answer is early adopter of technology. 21, within the levels of digital change in organizations, which benefits really relate specifically to level 2? The answer is C, improvements in process efficiency. Number 2, when new technologies are being developed, which phase specifically aims to create sustainable and ethical deployment? The answer is C, regulatory. Number 23, identify the missing words in the following sentence. The dash principle is used in the develop step to plan transformation programs based on the horizon model, dividing long-term goals into specific stages and steps. And the principle is C, forward thinking. Number 24, identify the missing words in the following sentence. The role of the dash includes the specific responsibility for communicating the value of the transformation. The answer is C, digital transformation sponsor. Which responsibility specifically relates to the digital transformation director? The answer is C, coordinating activities within the sponsor and program managers to ensure consistency across the transformation activities. Number 26, which of the following statements about the operating model is true? The correct answer is only one is true. The operating model describes the processes that enable value to be delivered to the customer. The second one is not a true statement. 27. Which activity is carried out in step 1, discover of the digital transformation process? The answer is D, developing a plan, address any gaps in organizational transformation competency. Number 28, which is one of the 3 key features of the principles of digital transformation? The answer is B, fundamentality. 29. What principle is used in the deliver step to create development paths to ensure that the organization optimizes the use of its existing technologies? The answer is A, understanding technology. Identifying the missing words in the following sentence. A digital transformation project team is most likely to need dash team members to effectively implement the project goals. And the answer is diversified team members. 31. Which of the following are key tools used in the develop step of the digital transformation process? The answer is 1, 2, and 3. Tools to decompose transformation program into projects, Horizon 0 and 1 business case descriptions and standards, and work estimation standards and methods for defining horizons. Number 32, how should the continuous verification of the environment principle be applied to the deliver step in the digital transformation process? The answer is send teams to participate in industry conferences. Number 33, which role is part of the governance level of digital transformation? The answer is D, digital transformation sponsor. Which key exponential technology is described as the connection of various systems and devices to collect and analyze data in real time? The answer is Internet of Things. Number 35, which transformational competency is most likely to be engaged in counteracting cognitive limitations and ensuring that all participants are engaged? Answer is C, facilitation. Number 36, which is a reason for using goals and effects in the understanding the vision and purpose principle? The answer is D, to assess whether the changes to the organization bring the expected benefits. 37, which stages of the digital transformation process create the vision for the future? The answer is C, discover and define. Number 38, which of the following are tasks carried out by the digital transformation project manager? The answer is 1, 2, and 4. Coordinating team activities and implementation of project goals, establishing priorities in the project with the digital transformation management offers. And number 4, performing budget management for the project to effectively manage resources. Number 39, identify the missing words in the following sentence. The O moment is the is a moment that technology dash and triggers widespread change. So this is a moment where technology achieves mass adoption. So A is the right answer. Number 40, at what step of the digital transformation process is the open to innovation and experimentation principle most likely to be used to involve external specialists from outside the organization? The answer is discover. Number 41, how are subject matter experts most likely to impact the digital transformation process? The answer is by identifying best practice from other organizations. 42. In what step in the digital transformation process should an assessment of what will happen to the organization if it does not transform be completed? The answer is define step, which is option B. 43. Which characteristic relates to the grow area activities in the Gartner organization's management model? The answer is innovation within the existing business model. Number 44, which of the following statements of the culture of continuous learning principle is true? The answer is C, both 1 and 2 are true. A culture of continuous learning should involve creating development plans tailored to employees' individual needs. And number 2, a readiness to learn from failures as well as successes is required to create a culture of continuous learning. Number 45, what type of technology is related to Revolution 2.0? The answer is electricity and assembly lines. Number 46, when planning the digital transformation process, what horizon should be used to deliver quick results and build momentum? The answer is horizon 1. Number 47, which principle is a culture principle? The answer is flexibility and adaptation. 48, which of the following statements about the responsibilities of the operational level of transformation management is true? The correct answer is neither 1 or 2 is true. Number 49, which role serves as an advisory body to the digital transformation sponsor and director in decision making? The correct answer is A, which is the steering committee. Number 50, which activity is part of the measurements and analysis principle? The correct answer is establishing a definition of done.